How to get ChatGPT to write shorter emails. To get ChatGPT to write shorter emails, you need to provide structural constraints rather than just asking it to be brief, which can often lead to a loss of essential tone. So, first of all, go ahead and open the ChatGPT application on your device. Once you're here, all you have to do is simply tap on this text box and you have to write in your prompt. So while writing prompt, what you can do is simply ask the ChatGPT itself to write a response to the specific email in under 50 words or so. Or keep this email to exactly 3 sentences. You can use such prompts to make sure that ChatGPT will create small responses. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.